Welcome back to the SmokeMidwest.com YouTube channel. Today we are going to be using some leftover pulled pork and making some nachos. Stay tuned. Okay, so today I have some leftover pulled pork and we are going to be making some pulled pork nachos. But before we get going, please hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and hit that like button. Helps out this channel a lot. Thank you very much. So to get started, some of the ingredients we have here are some chips, cheese, some barbecue sauce, leftover pulled pork, and whatever toppings you would like. So what we're gonna do, and we got a sheet pan here. We're gonna go ahead and throw some chips down on it. Let's lay down a good layer of chips. That's good. That one's for the dog. And then we just got a Mexican blended cheese here, but use whatever cheese you like. So I'm going to go pretty heavy on the cheese over top of everything. Then next, I have some pickled jalapenos. I'm just going to sprinkle those on. Now you can use whatever toppings you like. These are the toppings I like, so this is what we're going with. I have some leftover pulled pork here. And I just put this in the microwave for like a minute just to heat it up slightly. But let's just sprinkle that all over. This is gonna get nice and warm and crispy in the smoker. So I have our Pit Boss smoker fired up to 250 degrees. And we're just gonna pop it in there until all the cheese and everything is nice and melty. We'll see you then. So our nachos have been on about 15 minutes. Let's check them out. They're looking good. All the cheese is melted. I moved them clear over to the right-hand side of the smoker because that's the hottest part of it. And yeah, I'm gonna call these good. The cheese is melted. Pork's got a little crisp on top. Let's take them off and get them topped up. So let's put some toppings on it. And this is the part where you can get creative and put on here whatever you want. I'm just putting on stuff that I like on my nachos. So first, we're gonna hit it with a little barbecue sauce. Next, we're gonna hit it with a little green Vulcan hot sauce. This is some of my favorite. You could use salsa. You can use whatever you want here. Then we'll put a little sour cream on. Put a couple dabs of it here and there. Come on. Right. We got some black olives here. Last, got some green onions. Looks good. So there you have it. Pulled pork nachos with leftover pulled pork. This is a great way to use up some of that leftover pulled pork from your smoke the day before, or if you had some in the freezer. So, hey guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button. We'll see you on the next video.